Let's talk about stretching your neck. A lot of people have pretty stiff tissue around the neck, and stretching can help out a lot. But there's one tip that you need to know to do it properly. So if I just sit here and I stretch my neck like this a little bit, I can get maybe a little bit of a stretch, but what you're going to notice, especially if you're really tight through here, is that my shoulder is just going to kind of hike up. So it's just going to come over along with my neck, and I don't really get a very good stretch there. So what I need to do is I need to somehow anchor this shoulder down. So a super easy way to do that, if you are at home or at the office or even in the car, is to just put your hand underneath the chair that you're sitting on, and then just lean away until you just have a little bit of tension here. I don't need to crank on this, but it's just going to anchor my shoulder. So now when I do something like this, my shoulder doesn't move, and I actually get the stretch where I need it to go. Now, a couple other tips when you're stretching your neck. Less is more, right? This is a sensitive area, so I don't need to crank on my neck. It's really just the weight of my hand is plenty of resistance here, and usually I like to just use some breathing. Breathe in and then exhale and try to relax. If you're newer to stretching your neck and it's really stiff, again, ease off even more. Very, very little pressure, just the smallest sensation of a stretch to start. And then as you get more comfortable with it, you can potentially ramp that up just a tad. But again, less is more with the neck, so don't go crazy, because otherwise you'll actually end up tensing up more and it'll be counterproductive. Now, this is a fantastic way to do it. If you're in the gym or you have access to a stretch band, then you want to do something called the backpack stretch, which is just going to take this to the next level. So this is the backpack stretch. It is fantastic. You're going to take a band that's anchored on something low, put it right around your shoulder like a knapsack, purse, whatever. You're going to step forward pretty much as far as you can without feeling like you're going to fling yourself back and kill yourself. From here, you're going to keep this shoulder nice and relaxed, and we're stretching this neck shoulder area. So we're going to do 4 movements. The first one, we're going to go side to side. So the head just spins to the side. I'm trying not to tilt it or do anything else. Do 4 or 5 reps of each station. Then I'm going to pull my head just slightly away from the band. So I'm just tilting this way. Okay, again, try not to twist or do anything else, just going this way. Third one, I'm going to look toward the band, and I'm going to bring my chin up and away in sort of like an around the world movement. And I'm going to do that 4 or 5 times. And then the last one, I'm going to look toward my opposite armpit and just kind of work a little bit of a stretch this way. So first one, right, you're looking away. So I call that one, that's oh hell no. Okay, you're shaking your head. Second one, you are going to do the home phone, right? Like you're talking on the phone over here. Third one is around the world. And then the fourth one is smell the armpit. So hopefully that will help you remember it. Now, while you're doing it, you just want to go nice and slow. I just breezed through it just to get through on the video. But you're just going to use like a nice slow tempo. When you feel the stretch, pause for a couple seconds, take a breath in, take a breath out, reset. That's 1 rep, and that's how you want to do each and every one. So anyway, that is the backpack stretch. It is my favorite neck stretch overall that I've ever done. Tons of my clients love it, and I think you'll love it too.